Hi, I'd like to show you a problem I had the other day in Illustrator and how I came to a solution. The issue is that I have this artwork, this poster that's actually created by Adobe, um, and the artwork is really complex and it's organized on many different layers that are all well named and everything, and I don't want to lose that organization. And I did lose it when I created a mask. What I did was I drew a shape on top of everything. So I have this square, and then I selected all of my artwork and I went Object, Clipping Mask, Make. So that's Command 7 for a keyboard shortcut. And it did what I wanted. It created a mask, so everything outside of the red square is hidden, which is really handy. But the problem is that it pulled all the artwork that was so neatly organized on all of these layers onto the top layer into this group, because a clipping mask by default is grouped, and groups shouldn't be on or can't be on different layers. So this messed things up. I don't want my layers all undone like this. So I'm going to go ahead and undo and undo and undo, and we're back at the start now. So this is the solution I came to. I create a new layer. So I'm going to go and create a layer on top of everything, and let's call it mother of all layers. So it's on top of everything. So what I'm going to do now is grab all of these layers, the existing layers with the content. So the way I select them is by clicking on the top layer. I click on the top layer or the top empty layer, and shift click on the bottom layer, and that selects the whole range. So here I'm going to drag everything into this top layer, and you see that all my content becomes sub layers in this mother of all layers. Okay, so all I need to do now is go to that top layer. I'm going to draw my shape the same way as I did before. So I have this red square. I'm going to keep it selected and click on the first button that's Make Clipping Mask in the bottom of the Layers panel. And there we go. I got the same result. I have my mask. Everything outside of the square is hidden, but my content all stayed isolated, all stayed where it was on my existing layers. So that's how I came to the solution to this masking layers problem.